Hello, I'm Arsha Vahabzadeh at CES 2016 and I'm at the Digital Health Summit studio alongside Patricia Salber, who's the CEO of the Doctor Weighs In, an extraordinary blog for healthcare. Wonderful to have you here.
Well, it's nice to be here, Arsha, and since I interviewed you a few months ago, it's really nice to switch sides.
A little bit of a role reversal.
Yeah.
So how's the conference going, and what have been the highlights so far?
Well, the conference is going really well, but of course, I think CES is more about exercise than almost anything else. You know, we've been tracking our steps, and it's been between 15,000 to 20,000 every day.
Wow, glad you're getting that in.
Really sore feet. But we've seen a lot of interesting technology here, and I think one of the highlights, or a couple of the highlights for me, is that we're seeing technology from other countries. So we actually have done interviews with a Chinese company that makes a spoon for Parkinson's.
Wow.
With a French company that has medical grade technology for activity tracking, but also has a 3-lead EKG monitor. And then with another company that collects collects data from all sorts of devices and then runs it against AI and comes up with personalized recommendations for diet and exercise. So really interesting companies.
Wow, so you're seeing all these amazing things, and are these things going to show up on your blog, on the Doctor Weighs In?
Those 3 are already live.
Wow, that's fantastic.
www.thedrweightsin.com.
And what are the upcoming developments we're going to be seeing in a digital health space? What are the kind of trends you're seeing over the next few years do you think are going to be important?
I think the big thing is that we're going to move away from simply having these one-off tracking devices that people really stop using after a few years, to having things that are where the data is collected much more passively and is integrated with a lot of other data. So it's a much more holistic look at people. So I think we're going to see that, and I think we're going to move from wearables to tattoos to embeddables, right? So again,
Invisibles,
right? Again, and things in the house that are collecting data just as you go about your everyday life. I think that's where we're headed.
That's fantastic. In terms of your passion for doing what you do, what is driving that?
So you want me to go back to childhood? All I wanted to be when I was growing up was a doctor.
I mean, you're doing so many amazing things in this space.
What
keeps you going?
I have a passion for healthcare. I have a passion for innovation, and although we do a lot of stuff in digital health, we're also doing stuff all over the place. We do a lot of stories in partnership with Genentech on new drugs. We're doing Personalized Medicine World Congress, so genomics. So we're doing a lot of things across healthcare.
If people want to find out more, where do they need to go?
They need to go to thedrweightsin.com, of course.
Fantastic. Well, thank you very much for your time, Pat.
Okay, it's my pleasure. Thank you.
This is Arsha Vahabzadeh at CES 2016 at the Digital Health Summit studio. Thank you.